Assalamualaikum. This is Humayet Asif. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am showing an Arduino based radar system using an ultrasonic sensor HC04 and a servo motor that can be fun and educational project to work on. The system uses the ultrasonic sensor to detect objects in front of it and then rotates the servo motor to point towards the detected object. To build this system, you will need an Arduino board, an ultrasonic sensor HC04, a servo motor, and a few other components such as resistors, capacitors, and wires. The ultrasonic sensor sends out sound waves and measures the time it takes for the wave to bounce back from an object, allowing it to calculate the distance between the sensor and the object. The servo motor is then used to rotate the sensor towards the detected object. It can be enhanced by adding a visual display on a computer screen. The system can be programmed to display the detected object's distance and angle relative to the sensor on a computer screen, providing a visual representation of the radar's output. To achieve this, you will need to connect the Arduino board to a computer via a USB cable and write a program that displays the sensor output on the computer screen. The program can be written using a programming language such as Python, which can interface with the Arduino board and read the sensor data. This project is a great way to learn about data visualization and how to display sensor data on a computer screen. It also teaches you how to interface an Arduino board with a computer and write program to control it.